Hey Mira, Troy Brown here with TLC. Wanted to get back with you. Look, I'm trying to get back to your home page here. There we go. Beautiful butterflies. Wanted to share this screencast with you and give you the top three things that Google gives the most weight for the organic search and being on the first page of Google. So went through your website here, and the first thing I want to talk about out of the three is actually content. So Google really likes to see 1,500 words or more on your homepage. You have about 300. So we would need to add approximately 1,200 to 1,300 words. And that needs to be relevant content that's on your first page. This is kind of just an introductory. I'm glad you got your phone number here and the click to call button. This is your home page. So we need to add quite a bit of content. It can be about us, it can be about your services, whatever it may be. And again, it needs to be keyword rich. So that's the number one thing. You've got your connections here. I went ahead and looked at your Facebook page. You're doing a great job keeping up with things on Facebook. You're posting often. You've got all your information filled out, great pictures, and you have the ability to set appointments on the calendar here. So you're really maximizing your Facebook page, and we just need to do that same thing with your actual website. So content is king. I went in and took a look at the competition. So I did a couple of different searches, but online speech therapy for kids in Texas seemed to be the best, closest one to what you do, and it also represented, the other sites also said for adults also, obviously. So in doing this search, a couple of things we see is I did another search also, and Speech Therapist Dallas came up in the number one position. I'm sure you're familiar with them. And then they're actually in the sixth position. All Clear Speech Therapy. Now, something I wanted to point out here is the map pack. So anytime you do a search, especially a mobile search on your phone or tablet, this is what's called the map pack. And by creating a Google My Business account, you can get yourself established into this map pack. And if you do it right, in the top three. So the second thing I want to talk about is a citation. So this Google My Business, if we just click on Speech and Occupational Therapy North Texas, this is their GMB face page. So this is their Google My Business account. They're in the number one position, and so they're getting a lot of traffic. They're getting a lot of phone calls because they're in the very first position in the Google Map Pack. So primarily the name of your business, your address, your phone number, that's your NAP, name, address, phone number. That is a citation, or what is representative of the citation. So the GMB, Google My Business, is the original best citation, and that information spread across the internet is the third thing that I wanted to talk with you about, which is citations. We'll come back to backlinks in a moment. So putting your name, address, phone number out on the internet as much as possible, whether it be in a directory, a blog, or a story, is what's going to also drive power to your website. So if you don't have a GMB or Google My Business, you might want to consider that. That's also something, a service that we provide, something you can also do on your own. So content, citations, and then the last one is backlinks. So I took the competition and took them in a little tool called Ahrefs. So this is for All Clear Speech Therapy. And what this does is it breaks down the website and shows you what's going on with the website. So interestingly enough, this the UR is your popularity, and your DR is basically the power of the website. So you can see your website here. No, that's All Clear. Sorry. So they're very low in what they've got. They only have 7 backlinks, 3 referring domains, and 136 keywords. Okay. Central Texas Speech Pathology, they're a little better, 21, 1.8, and they have 173 backlinks. So you can see it increasing a little bit. Speech Therapy Dallas. Okay, this was number one in quite a few different searches. So there are only a 9 and a 6 here still. So popularity and strength of website, 467 backlinks from 52 domains and 294 organic keywords. Okay, so you see it going up a little bit. Then TXS, or Texas Speech Therapy here, you can also see not a lot of power. There's 0 domain rating, 8 here, 9 backlinks. Okay, so backlinks are any other website that is connected to your website in a certain way. So if we just click on this one and look at backlinks, keyword suggest tool, autism directory, profile.info free, so it's a directory, autism connect, and runrec. So those are the only ones that they have for this particular domain. And then I wanted to take a look at yours too. So Super Speech Solutions, here you go. You got a 1 UR and a 0.2 on your DR. Of course, that's better than 0, but 2 backlinks, 2 referring domains, and 3 organic keywords. So very simple, you have an opportunity. This industry looks like, as far as the backlinks and some of the other key elements, are actually missing from a majority of your competition. I went here and counted words. Your competition, all of your competition has more content or keywords on their homepage than you do. So that's the very number one thing that I would look at for yourself. Then backlinks and citations. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Feel free to use all of these techniques to improve your ranking in your website on Google. And if you need help, feel free to reach out. Again, Troy Brown, TLC Web Marketing. You can reach me here at 720-561-1800, or you can refer to the email. I look forward to talking with you. Thanks.